Hello, today we will guide you through how to add a link to your Linktree. To get started, open the Linktree admin page in your browser. This is the main dashboard where you manage your Linktree account, update settings, and make changes to your links. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct workspace or account, especially if you manage more than one profile. Starting from the admin area helps ensure you're making changes in the right place from the beginning. Next, look to the top left area of the screen and click on your profile account. This opens the account options connected to your Linktree setup. If you have access to multiple profiles, this is an important step because it lets you choose where you want the new link setup to be created or managed. Moving through the profile menu first can help avoid confusion later and makes the process smoother. After that, select Create New Linktree. This option allows you to begin setting up a new Linktree profile. If your goal is to organize links under a fresh profile, this is where the creation process begins. When you click it, Linktree will take you to the setup screen where you can enter your new profile details. Make sure to read the page carefully so you understand what information is being requested before moving forward. On the next screen, enter a sample username in the username field. Choose a username that matches your brand, business, or personal identity, depending on how you plan to use the Linktree. It's a good idea to keep it simple, easy to remember, and consistent with your other online profiles if possible. That can make it easier for visitors to recognize and trust your page. If the username you want isn't available, you may need to try a slight variation while still keeping it clear and professional. Once the username is entered, click Continue and follow the on-screen procedure. Linktree may guide you through a few additional setup prompts depending on your account type or the options available to you. Just move through each screen carefully, reviewing your choices as you go. Following the prompts step by step will complete the setup and prepare your Linktree for use. That's it. You've now gone through the process to begin creating and setting up your Linktree so you can add and manage links from your account. If you're recording this process for a team or using it for future reference, it can also help to double-check your username and selected profile before finishing.